What is up, guys? Today we're going to New York City. We gotta hit the camera store, grab a light for the camera rig so that our video quality is a little bit better at night. I know we got those lights before, like the ones on the shop stand thingies, but we want one that's hard mounted to the camera rig, so you know, when we're walking around pointing it at shit like that, the light is always where the lens is. So it'll be a pretty good upgrade. We're gonna take the 6.5 all the way there because honestly, it is the best MPG vehicle we have at the moment. Our typical road trip pregame, as usual. Chow's first time in the city. What are you thinking so far?
So chaotic.
This McDonald's is lit. Like,
look at it, dude.
Lit. Look at all the light bulbs.
Got a nice little hour of parking. We're gonna hit this store. I think it's down that way. Gonna hit this New York City, probably overpriced Best Buy. See what they got.
I hope they have
yeah,
it.
they'll probably have something.
Third store in New York that we're hitting.
They'll have something. Looking at a few of these lights. This is the only diesel truck in New York City right now.
Unless it's a dump truck or
a garbage truck.
Bus.
I have not seen another diesel pickup truck in the city yet. But our time in New York's pretty fun. Time to leave though, it gets old real quick. Got the light, gonna go home, gonna mount this up. New York City. Oh yeah. That shit is mint. I ran into something that I've never seen before. Monster Energy Soda. So we're all gonna sample this and see what it even tastes like. It smells very Mountain Dew.
What does it taste like?
Medicine. It tastes like medicine. It's not good.
I'm not a fan.
It's disgusting, actually.
I'm not a fan. It's like they took like Jolly Ranchers and made a like green Jolly Ranchers and made a disgusting ass medicine out of it. Here, Chow, drink this.
We literally bought that because we've never seen it before and wanted to try it. Try it, Chow. Tell me what you honestly think. Is it disgusting? I don't like it at all.
You know what it tastes like?
What?
Your mom dildo.
Oh. Alright, so we ended up going with this Manfrotto light. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put it on the rig. Pretty much it's gonna sit like on the left side so that the camera sits here, and when the screen is folded out, it's gonna sit in front of it so it's not interfering at all. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna sand this down and weld a piece onto here that the Manfrotto light will bolt onto. How does that look to your eye? Turn this off too.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, here, right here. I'll put it where it's supposed to be. Dude, that's mint. Gotta get that all marked up. Got this piece with the hole drilled out. Here's our bolt to hold the light on, all mint. I'm gonna clean the paint off of this. I'm gonna weld that on there, right there, and we're mint. No, we're mint. Gonna let that dry up. We were thinking we were gonna get some Miata stuff done today, but it's pretty late and it's raining. We're gonna go drift instead of work on the Miata.
In Mexico.
In Mexico.
Howdy.
Howdy.
All right. Oh, this is setting one.
Let me see.
Oh no, it's so mint. Here,
That's
look.
right.
This is setting one.
For having no light and just having that.
Setting two.
I had the odd lighter.
Setting three.
What do you mean?
Oh, we're mint.
Like these
This is
did
mint,
not
dude. There's zero lights on.
No, we
here.
drove to New York and looked at 3 different places. To
Look
find
at
a light.
look at how far the light range is.
Point it up. See if it put the downpipe on.
Oh yeah,
Catch
it
the
does.
bolts. And then
Wait a
I-
minute, dude. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I would
quality
do.
on this camera.
Cam. Dude, that's prime.
And you can turn that down.
Damn,
so
dude.
It's not like in your
Oh my
eye.
God,
You're not
turn it
blinding
down.
no one.
Just aim it over here. Nice shots, like.
I mean, it's pretty goddamn bright.
Where's
It's not bad. It's not bad.
I have 3 filters on here. Are you here? I'm gonna kick it up. Is that blinding now? All right.
Oh yeah.
So is this good?
That's mint.
Third
Dude,
filter.
yeah.
That's not that bad.
If you look right there, that's like in up on the left right.